Parang kahapon. Ganun muna tayo, matagal pa tayo bago mag-take. At dahil malakas ang alon, kailangan namin umikot. Akala ko you were here. Not yet. Malakas ang alon kaya we are going back a little bit. Just a bit off. Little waves, please be gentle. Please be gentle. We're just love the waves, but not that big ones. It's the little ones. So, umikot tayo slightly para makadaon tayo. Wow! Villas Resort. A Villas Resort. Mama Mary 1. Wow! Wow! Another set is coming over. Look at the clouds, people. Ganda ng langit. So another group is coming to the isla. So pag malakas pa lang alon, kailan umikot. They're there. Look at them. Bye, enjoy. Thank you, Apo Island. Thank you for the beautiful and rich experience. Grabe, super duper ganda. Si Kuya alone, but not lonely. Sagwan lang, Kuya. Kaya yan. Kaya yan, Kuya. Sagwan lang. Makakatawid dyan hanggang doon?
Oo, nakakapunta punta yan doon. Bookman yan. Punta yan doon sa motor naman.
Okay. Kala ko tatawid siya mag-isa. Ang tapang niya. Ang tapang niya kung tatawid siya mag-isa. Look at that. Very, very beautiful place. Look at the resorts. White. Ang gaganda nila. Look at that. So, we're here bago ako mahulog. So, bye for now. Thank you, Apo Island. Ang ganda-ganda mo.